It is said that the Koreans prepared these pancakes in rainy weather because their cracklings in the pan sound like raindrops. Don't wait for rainy days to eat these delicious crispy seafood pancakes. Here are the ingredients for 4 people. You can find this list and other recipes on my website, cookingwithmorgane.com. Remove the shell of 150 grams of shrimp. Cut them in half. Cut 150 grams of squid into chunks. Cut 3 small fresh chilies into chunks. Mince 100 grams of green onions. Prepare the dipping sauce in a small bowl. Put 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of cider vinegar, 2 teaspoons of Korean chili powder, it is sweet chili, and 1 teaspoon of sugar. Then combine. Now prepare the pancake batter. In a mixing bowl, put 250 grams of wheat flour, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Mix all together. Gradually add 35 centiliters of ice sparkling water while mixing until a smooth batter is obtained. Then add the shrimp, 100 grams of mussels, the squid, the chili, the green onions. Mix all. Add 1/4 teaspoon of ground pepper. Combine. Preheat the pan over medium heat. Put 3 tablespoons of oil. When the oil is hot, pour 2 ladles of butter. Spread well. Brown the pancake for 5 minutes. Flip it. Add 2 tablespoons of oil. Also brown this side for 5 minutes. To make the pancake crispy, brown 1 minute more each side. Eat with the dipping sauce. I like to serve these pancakes with a green salad. Bon appétit! I remember the first time I prepared these delicious pancakes. I was surprised how quick and easy it was to get them. The flavors of the seafood and the green onions makes them really tasty. The sparkling water and the baking powder provide a light and crispy texture. Thank you for watching and sharing my video. See you at the next homemade dish.